So, what is in this camera bag? Let's go and find out. Hey guys, it's Faisal here from FMI Productions and welcome to another vlog from Bangladesh. And today is going to be an exciting vlog, an interesting vlog, because I've always wanted to do this vlog. And the reason why I'm doing this vlog is because you guys have been asking me on most of my videos what camera gear I use, what drone model I use, etc, etc. So here's the opportunity to create this vlog, guys. So anyway, right now you can see the background behind me. This is the heart of Hobbyganj town. This is my town that I grew up in. I went to school here, I went to college here. Check out the drone footage of my school and college. Went to government high school, Hobbyganj Government High School and Brindaban College. Check it out, guys. So, okay guys, let's get to the point now. So, I want to quickly show you what's in my bag because I'm a travel filmmaker. I do travel vlogs, I create cinematic videos, I do music videos, I do all kinds of videos. So, so for me, what's important when I travel is I carry a bag full of camera equipment, camera gear, but nobody knows what's in my camera bag. So let me start with the bag, and this bag is a generic branded bag. It's called Asaclit. It's not a branded bag, but a very durable bag. I've had this for more than 5 years now, 6 years, and guess what? It's been to over 15 countries in the last 5 years, and it's still strong and still going, still good. It looks new, guys. So let me just quickly open it and you see what's in it first. So are you ready? So number one, I love flying drones, guys. I love flying drones, and I'm sure everyone loves drone shots. So I have to carry drones with me in my bag. So this is my main drone that I take with me. This is called the DJI Mavic Air 2. Does 4K 60 frames per second videos, guys. It's amazing. This is the main drone, and I love flying this. So that's the number one. That's the main thing I carry in my bag. I'm gonna put this back, okay? So guess what's next? Okay, you ready? I have another drone, guys. Can you believe it? I bought 2 drones with me. 2 drones. This is another DJI drone, guys, okay? So let's just quickly check what's in it. Okay. So this is a baby drone, guys. It's a little mini drone, okay. So this is the DJI Mini 2 drone. There you go, Mini 2 drone. It's a 4K camera. It's a fantastic drone, this little drone. It does the job. So now you might ask me, why have I got 2 drones? Why do I need 2 drones, okay? So here's the answer, okay? So the reason why I've got 2 drones is drones are very risky to fly, and there's a big chance that you could crash it. There's birds flying, birds will come and attack your drone. I've had several birds attacking, trying to go for my drone. So I just got this as a backup, just in case the other one crashes. I've got this mini one. So I've got this DJI Ronin SC2 gimbal. It's a beast of a gimbal, guys. This is a heavy equipment. To be honest, I don't know why I got this. I actually don't need this here. I've not needed to use this. I haven't used this yet. I don't know why I got this, but just got it in case. The camera of my DSLR, the Panasonic G9, is a fantastic camera. It does, it's got good stabilization. So I actually don't need this, and I also got a GoPro Hero 10, which has really good stabilization built in, so this can go back. Next is my MacBook. I always carry a MacBook or a laptop with me. This is Apple's MacBook Air with the M1 Apple chip built in, one of the latest ones. And I use this to do quick edits and basic edits like this video I'm going to do. So I should be able to edit this video with this MacBook. Shouldn't be a problem, it does 4K. So I carry this. I also use this to transfer all my files onto my hard disks, because 64GB or 120GB is not enough for me. So can you guess, guys, how many gigabytes of memory do I bring with me? Just 1 second, guys. So this time I bought 5 terabytes of hard disks. 5 terabytes, can you believe it? So these little things here are SSD hard disks. This is 1 terabyte SSD hard disk. That's a Samsung T7. That's another one, 1 terabyte Samsung T7 SSD hard drive. This is a SanDisk, 1 terabyte. This is a Crucial 1 terabyte SSD drive. I've actually got another one in my room, so I've bought 5 of those just in case. Trust me, if you're recording 4K videos in 60 frames per second and 5K videos as well, you will need all this. It doesn't stop here, guys, because I have more equipment in my bag. Let me just show you, okay? This little thing here is the Insta360 Go2 mini camera. Look how small it is, guys. This is how small it is. I'll show you. There you go. The size of my thumb. So I use this for hyperlapse videos. When I'm on a rickshaw, I just put it on my neck here like that. It's got a necklace with a magnet on it. So you can, so it basically attaches it to the magnet, whatever you call it. It's a magnet pendant. But this is also like a backup camera, so when my other cameras fail, I can use this to do some of my B-roll videos. Okay, so this is a fantastic camera, guys. It's got this housing, and if you put it back in, it's got another charger, it's got another battery, and it also charges from this. So once you've charged this, you can charge the main camera 3 times. So Insta360 Go2 mini camera. Okay, and right, the best things I've got here is my GoPro Hero 10, guys. This is the best action camera I have used so far. This is the latest DJI Hero 10, and it does 5.3K in 60 frames per second. This is amazing, guys. This is wonderful. So I use this for my B-roll videos. I actually use this for vlogging as well. Just stick a microphone on it. It's actually got a built-in microphone as well. Really good microphone. This casing here is a separate casing. It's one of the mod cases, which has a built-in microphone, and it has some HDMI outputs. You can also put another microphone in and put it on top of this cold shoe. So it also does 4K in 120 frames per second. So if you want really super slow-mo videos, guys, this is a camera to carry in your bag. Very versatile. You can throw it everywhere, throw it around. Nothing will happen to this camera. It's waterproof. It's not waterproof with this case, but once you take the case off, it's waterproof. So, you can use it underwater as well if you want to get some decent underwater shots. So I love this camera. It's very good. I carry it everywhere. Everywhere I go, this comes with me. So fantastic camera. I also have a DSLR camera, and this DSLR camera is what I'm using right now to film this video. So I'm going to quickly show you with this GoPro. I'm going to just show you what I've got there. So I've got the Lumix G9 camera with a Leica lens on it. I've got a Manfrotto portable mini tripod. I've got a Rode Mic Go 2 microphone. This is a fantastic microphone, guys, one of the latest ones. And yeah, so check this out, guys. This is a really good camera, very good stabilization. It does 4K. So this is my DSLR, guys. Okay, so guys, I think I've covered most of the stuff in my bag here today. I've probably missed one or two things. I've got a lot of other stuff like lens filters, variable ND filters and stuff like that, but I'm actually scared because I'm vlogging from this stairway to hell thing. This staircase is really scary, has no railing, so you know, I could fall literally from this 6-story building, so I don't want to risk losing my life here. So I'm gonna go now, and before I go, just want to say do stay tuned, because I'm going to be creating more videos when I go back to the UK. I've taken so many shots, so many B-roll shots. I've got like already 2 terabytes of footage in my bag, in my hard disk. So when I go back to the UK, I'll be editing my videos, and you know, I'll try my best to post these videos. As usual, do drop a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in my videos. Ask me anything about my camera equipment, you know, and I'll try my best to answer all the questions. And as usual, give it a thumbs up if you like watching this video, and subscribe to my channel, FMI Productions, and make sure you press the bell button, guys, so you don't miss any of my contents. And thank you all for watching this vlog.